When I'm working in computer vision, something that slows down my workflow as a developer is having to recalibrate the color values for an object that I'm tracking as the day goes on. The background changes, it's noisy as is, the lighting in the room changes, and I have to stop what I'm doing and change what I'm looking for, or there are errors that come up that I'm not sure if it's in the code or if it's just in how the color has changed, at least as the camera perceives it. So I decided that that's slowing me down. It's certainly something that we're going to want to remove for end users, and it's one of the biggest challenges of computer vision right now is dealing with these backgrounds that are noisy, but this is everyday life. Everyday life is noisy. So here we're in Unity, we're going to be controlling the last part of this little arm inverse kinematic that I set up. So as you can see right now, it's not following it at all. But when we bring this to the target area, trying to fill it, just like those old SAT preps, you got to fill the bubble. I'll hit calibrate, and there we go. We're able to track the object, use it to move the arm around. Grab another balled up, single colored, bright item here. And same thing. So it's not perfect. You can see here definitely some lag, but the ease at which you get some pretty good results I find to be impressive and certainly a good first step in this direction of making that threshold calibration a bit faster.